Welcome to the world of woodworking with reclaimed wood, where sustainability meets artistry in the most inspiring ways. In today's age of environmental consciousness, the use of reclaimed materials has become a pivotal aspect of modern craftsmanship. This approach not only reduces waste and minimizes the demand for new timber but also breathes new life into materials that carry rich histories and unique characteristics. Each piece of reclaimed wood tells a story, often reflecting its previous life in old barns, factories, or vintage furniture, and this intrinsic value adds a layer of depth to every project. Whether you are a seasoned woodworker or a novice eager to explore this creative avenue, the possibilities are endless. From crafting elegant furniture to creating functional decor items, reclaimed wood offers a beautiful canvas for your imagination. As you embark on this journey, you'll discover that working with reclaimed materials brings not only aesthetic rewards but also a sense of purpose. The charm of reclaimed wood lies in its natural imperfections, knots, color variations, and weathered textures that give each creation a distinctive character. These qualities make reclaimed wood ideal for a variety of woodworking projects, whether you're looking to design a rustic dining table, stylish shelving, or unique decorative pieces. This guide will inspire you with innovative ideas and practical tips for transforming reclaimed wood into stunning, functional items that enhance your home while championing sustainable practices. Join us as we delve into the chic and practical inspirations that await, celebrating the art of woodworking in harmony with nature. As you dive into this captivating exploration of woodworking with reclaimed wood, we invite you to engage with us by subscribing to our channel for more inspiring content that celebrates creativity and sustainability. If you find value in what you're watching, don't forget to hit the like button. Your support helps us reach a wider audience and share our passion for craftsmanship with others. We encourage you to share this video with friends and fellow woodworking enthusiasts, fostering a community that appreciates the beauty of reclaimed materials and the art of woodworking. And be sure to stay with us until the end, where we'll unveil some exciting project ideas and tips that you won't want to miss. Your journey into the world of stylish and functional woodworking is just beginning, and we're thrilled to have you along for the ride. Reclaimed wood has gained considerable popularity in recent years, not only for its aesthetic appeal but also for its environmental benefits. Each piece of reclaimed wood carries a rich history, having once served a purpose in structures like old barns, factories, or even vintage furniture. This historical significance lends a unique charm to each project, as woodworkers transform these materials into stylish creations that reflect both artistry and sustainability. For example, a dining table made from reclaimed wood not only serves as a functional piece of furniture but also becomes a focal point in a home, sparking conversations among guests who admire its character and the stories it carries. The natural imperfections, such as knots and variations in color, add to its allure, making it a standout item that embodies the beauty of imperfection. In addition to furniture, reclaimed wood can be creatively utilized in various home decor projects that enhance a space's aesthetic. Decorative items like picture frames, wall art, and shelving units can be crafted to showcase the unique textures and colors of the wood. These pieces often serve dual purposes, providing both beauty and functionality. For instance, a floating shelf made from reclaimed timber can display cherished photographs or decorative items while adding a rustic touch to a modern interior. The versatility of reclaimed wood allows for endless design possibilities, enabling woodworkers to experiment with different shapes and styles that fit various decor themes, from contemporary to farmhouse chic. Outdoor living spaces can be significantly enhanced through the use of reclaimed wood. Garden benches, picnic tables, and even planters made from salvaged wood not only provide essential functionality but also create a warm and inviting atmosphere in the yard or patio. The natural weathered look of reclaimed wood blends seamlessly with outdoor environments, encouraging relaxation and social gatherings. Additionally, these pieces are often more durable than new wood, as they have already endured the elements, making them a practical choice for outdoor furniture. By incorporating reclaimed wood into outdoor projects, homeowners can create spaces that are both beautiful and sustainable, promoting a lifestyle that values nature and craftsmanship. Lighting fixtures crafted from reclaimed wood can add an artistic flair to any room while providing essential illumination. From pendant lights to wall sconces, these fixtures can serve as striking focal points that enhance the overall design of a space. The warmth of the wood contrasts beautifully with contemporary materials like metal and glass, creating a harmonious blend of styles. Woodworkers can experiment with various designs, from industrial to rustic, ensuring that each lighting piece is unique and tailored to the homeowner's taste. By using reclaimed wood in lighting projects, artisans not only create functional items but also contribute to a sustainable aesthetic that resonates with environmentally conscious consumers. In the kitchen, reclaimed wood can be transformed into practical and stylish essentials, such as cutting boards, serving trays, and utensil holders. These items not only serve everyday purposes but also add a touch of artisanal charm to culinary spaces. A beautifully crafted cutting board made from reclaimed wood can elevate the cooking experience, turning meal preparation into a more enjoyable and visually appealing activity. Additionally, personalized items like engraved cutting boards or custom utensil holders make for thoughtful gifts that carry sentimental value. By integrating reclaimed wood into kitchenware, woodworkers promote sustainability while enhancing the beauty and functionality of one of the most important spaces in the home. Personalization is a significant aspect of woodworking with reclaimed materials, allowing artisans to create custom pieces that cater to individual tastes and needs. From unique furniture items to bespoke decor, the use of reclaimed wood enables woodworkers to craft gifts and projects that hold special meaning for the recipient. For example, custom signs or engraved pieces made from reclaimed wood can commemorate special occasions, making them cherished keepsakes. This personal touch not only enhances the value of the item but also strengthens the emotional connection between the giver and receiver. By focusing on personalization, woodworkers can create meaningful projects that resonate deeply with those who receive them. Finally, woodworking with reclaimed materials can extend beyond individual projects to encompass community initiatives that promote collaboration and creativity. Workshops and community projects focused on creating furniture or decor for public spaces can foster a sense of togetherness while highlighting the importance of sustainable practices. Such initiatives not only provide valuable skills to participants but also create beautiful, functional pieces that benefit the community. By engaging in these projects, woodworkers can inspire others to embrace reclaimed materials, nurturing a culture of sustainability and creativity that resonates far beyond the workshop. Thank you for watching our video on woodworking with reclaimed wood. We hope you found it both inspiring and informative as you explore the endless possibilities that come with using sustainable materials in your projects. If you enjoyed the content and want to see more, please consider subscribing to our channel. Your support means the world to us and helps us continue creating valuable resources for woodworking enthusiasts like you. Don't forget to hit the like button to show your appreciation, and feel free to share this video with friends or fellow creators who might find it helpful. We're excited to have you as part of our community, and we look forward to bringing you more engaging content in the future. Thank you once again for being here, and happy woodworking!